A 3-digit number has 3 digits, as the name implies, 3 digits, like 2, 5, 8. You can see it has how many digits? 1, 2, 3. Also, 4, 0, 2. How many digits? 1, 2, 3. A 3-digit number has 3 digits. This is a place value house. In this house, there are 3 rooms. Do you know why it has 3 rooms? Because the number has 3 digits. We have the hundredths room, the tens room, and the units room. Now, there is a rule in this house. Only 1 digit can stay in a room at a time. Let's say only 1 person can sit on a chair at a time, just like in your classrooms. Do you lap yourselves? No. When you are sleeping, do you carry another person? No. Only 1 digit can stay in the room in a place value house. So keep that in mind. 1 digit per room. Now let's see some numbers and put them in their rooms. 3, 28. From your left. From your what? Left. So we start from the hundredths house. That's 3. We have 300. 2 tens. 2 tens. How many units? 8 units. That's 328. Let's try another number. Let's write another number. What number can we write now? Oh, it's 179. 179. We start from the left as usual. We have 100, 7 tens, 9 units. Do you want to know how we came about 100, 7 tens, 9 units? How do we know what should be what in each room? This is what happens. 179, 179. This can be read as 179. 170. 70 is 70. And what? 9 units. Adding them together, don't forget we said only 1 digit per room. Can you see I only have 1 digit at a time? 0 plus 0 plus 9 is 9. 0 plus 7, 7. When you add 0 to any number, the number remains the same. 100. So that's how we came about 179. 300, 4 tenths, 1 unit, plus 125. 100, 2 tenths, 5 units. It's time to add them together. 1 unit plus 5 units equals 6 units. 4 tenths plus 2 tenths gives us 6 tenths. 300 plus 100 equals 400. Therefore, 341 plus 125 equals 466. 400, 6 tenths, and 6 units. In the next lesson, I will teach you how to place your numbers in the correct rooms yourself and count properly.